Now, this is the moon. In the original painting, we just have painted the moon. Now, if you wanted to make some stars with the brush, it is not going to be possible. This is the good practice after using wash it. Now, I'm using my pencil as this is very small piece of base. So, I'm using the pencil tip. And I'm just dropping few stars. Not too much, not too less, just few. This is a dish antenna, or maybe this is a radio station. Okay, anything it can be. So I've just drawn this semicircle in such a way, because nowadays there is no trend of using dish and antenna things. Everything is smart these days, so we can imagine this as this is a radio station or something like that, as we are making big buildings and we have no windows around it, so it must be a corporate building or something like that. Okay, so it's up to your imagination that what you wanted to make. And over here is a railing. So I haven't drawn any bird because this is the night time, and generally when we are making a night scene, the birds are not flying in the sky usually, unless they lost their actual place. They must be visibly flying in the sky, otherwise when we are making a night. So we have to make sure that what we are making, we can compose the painting in such a way that each and everything come up in a line. And even if you don't want to make the moon, you can leave it. If you want to make a circular moon, you can make it. Whatever you wanted, you can make it. Now come the fun part, which is making the fairy lights. So first I will take the bubblegum pink. We just need a little bit of pink, and for that either you can use the same brush or you can use the dotting tool. So this is a small place, so you cannot use dotting tool very often, but you can make the dots like this. See. So we have 3 wires and we are using 3 different colors. You can see the wires are overlapping one another. Now that you have to find out that which wire you wanted to show on the upper side and which wire you wanted to overlap behind the previous one. So the pink we are done. Now I'm using this lime green color, or we can call it a neon green color. Now I will take color directly from the tube, as we don't need too much color. So I will be making dots on the top, as this middle wire is still wet with the color, so I'm just giving a little time. So when you are choosing the light colors, you can always use the white color only. You can always go with the yellow color light. So lights can be in any color, like this. After this, what we have to do, we have to use the third color, and over here I am using this peach color, Coral Opaque it has written. I am using color directly from the tube, as I am just dipping my brush. And you can see that I am coloring in a circular motion to make a ball-like shape. Like this. So there is no much room, but yes, we have to complete each and every portion. Now if you want to add something, you can add over here. I'm making just a black line just to give a proper finish.